Okay, so this video is for anyone who's ever wanted to punch a hole in their locker because they couldn't get their lock opened. And it's okay, you're not your own. I know adults have been brought to tears by these things as well. So if this is your combination, 8, 18, 12, the first thing you need to do is spin clockwise and just give it lots of spins like that. Do a few spins like that. You're supposed to do 3, so if you just spin it lots of times, you'll get that done, and then keep spinning and stop on your first number. So that's 8. So you can see that little arrow there is lined up with the 8, that's our first number. Now, to get to the second number, we have to spin the other way, so anti-clockwise. But the trick is, we have to go back to 8 first. We're going to do one full spin first, and then we keep on going in that direction until we get to 18. There we go, we stopped on 18. Now, for the last spin, we're going to go clockwise again. And this time, we don't need to do a full spin. We just go straight to our last number, which is 12. There it is. And click, it opens. So let's do that one more time. We'll lock it again, just sort of mess it up. So you start off, lots of spins clockwise, and then stop on your first number. Then do a full spin anti-clockwise. We're going to go back to 8 first, and then keep on going to 18. Stop there, and then going to go clockwise again the last time to our last number, which is 12. So that's just a short one for us. And there we go. That's how you use your log.